Every dream needs a space to begin. A space that inspires, challenges, and transforms. Welcome to UID-NCR, where creativity meets purpose. Here, every corridor carries stories of ideas, collaborations, and moments that shape your journey. An open space just like your imagination. Limitless and ever-evolving. Where sound, visuals, and ideas come together to create impact. Where raw materials turn into tangible creations and ideas evolve into real-world solutions. Where you step into the future with immersive AR and VR experiences. Where creativity meets cutting-edge digital tools. Where ideas evolve into dynamic storytelling. Where you shape your imagination with your own hands from scratch. And explore the beauty of form, light, and transparency. Where you don't just design, you stitch each thread and bring a design to life. Where you transform raw fabric into expression of art. Where every frame becomes a story worth telling. This is where your work takes the spotlight, turning ideas into impact. A space to pause, reflect, and dive deeper into knowledge. Because every great idea starts with the right tools. Great conversations often begin over a great food. And a healthy mind thrives in an active body. Where focus sharpens skills and precision defines performance. Where champions are built and limits are meant to be broken. A place that feels like home, where friendships turn into lifelong connections. The campus stands as more than just a place to learn. It becomes a launchpad for ambition, a space where dreams rise, evolve, and move towards something greater. UID-NCR, ignite your ambition.